I'm Chakravarthi AVPS, Global Ambassador of World Packaging Organization, and also the Honorary Advisor for the Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council of India. I'm also Senior Vice President National for Federation of Pharma Entrepreneurs, FOP India. Well, I'm truly delighted to be a part of this great international expo conducted by Pharmaceutical, the 9th edition of IPHEX. Well, I have been involved ever since the very first edition for the last 9. This is the 9th year. These 9 editions. I think expos like this will definitely pave the way. They form a great platform for all the stakeholders of this pharmaceutical industry, which we always consider as a noble field. Because after all, the pharmaceutical industry is life-saving and life-sustaining industry. Well, all of us know India supplies to more than 215 countries. Generic drugs overall almost supplying to around 20% of the global generics. And in the USA alone, every pill out of the 3 pills consumed in US are supplied by India alone. Well, this IPHEX edition, 9th edition is being conducted. Today is being the last day. We have been seeing all the events ever since the inauguration. I think the expo drew a very large encouragement from the industry, close to around 400 exhibitors all over. And also, not only the exhibitors, there have been almost 400 to 500 visitors. You call not the visitors basically, they are mostly buyers from overseas, from various countries across the globe. And we are witnessing around close to 15K visitors also. The highlight of this exhibition is showcasing the latest capabilities in APIs, formulations, expients, whatnot, each and every segment of the pharmaceutical industry, the processing also, some packaging, some devices as well. So it's a great opportunity for people from India, the stakeholders of pharmaceutical industry, and also from the people from outside the country to witness the latest advancements, the latest technologies, the products available here. I think it's a great opportunity for all the stakeholders to do the business. Well, we might think why these expos, why these business visitors being called. I think we must be thankful to the Ministry of Commerce and Industries because of whose initiative these expos are happening. I think they encouraged very well to do this expo. Pharmaceutical is part of MOCA as you all know. Apart from this expo, on the sidelines we had great sessions, especially top of the session was on the quality compliance, patient safety, patient centricity. I think this was attended by none other than the Drug Control General of India, Dr. Rajiv Raghuvanshi, and well-known the top CEOs from industry. I think they deliberated and discussed the way forward also, how the quality is first, how the objective of patient first, that is important. It's not only the capabilities, throughout the supply chain gamut, how we should maintain the quality aspect so that we upkeep our image of the pharmaceutical industry in India globally. And apart from that, we also witnessed good sessions on biopharmaceuticals, which will be going to the future of the pharma industry, as of course, and also the vaccines. Vaccines is also very important for India. All of you know the role of India during pandemic, supplying vaccines to the needy countries, and also the self-sufficient by developing an indigenous vaccine in India. I think the excellent sessions were conducted. And there was a CEO roundtable also, wherein almost 70% of the overseas CEOs and around 30% of the Indian CEOs comprising. They deliberated mostly the collaborative efforts among the, especially I must also say that this is under the background of today. This year belongs to India being the G20 leader. I think it's very apt also. Under this background, all these global CEOs have discussed the possible collaborations and also strengthening the current collaborations among the countries and among the businesses. I think that's another great event during this IPHEX itself. And of course, apart from that, there have been multiple B2B sessions involving all those 400 to 500 buyers who flew all over from USA to Australia and the multiple countries, be it Latin America, so, Africa, Southeast Asia, Pan Asia, Far East Asia, and Europe in specific. I think no country is left. There have been around 100 countries. People have come, and it's really a great opportunity for all of them to have a one-on-one interactive session. I think nowhere else this kind of expo. Normally we witness expos everywhere, the pharmaceutical expos, but this is not just an expo. This is actually a great platform for being togetherness, bringing all the people together and giving a great opportunity to interact with each other, and wherever it is possible, one-on-one meeting. So the Pharmaxil management is helping all the stakeholders to witness the show and also to participate in the respective events also. Kudos to the team of Pharmaxil, headed by the Director General Mr. Uday and his whole team. Of course, the Chairman Mr. Veeramani and the entire board of members. I too am really grateful for being associated with this noble event and noble organization. The Pharmaxil is, we can proudly say, one of the best export councils under the aegis of Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India. Because no other council, as per me, not that other councils are not contributing, but this Pharmaxil, as far as my knowledge is concerned, is really contributing to the industry in a great way. We look forward to more and more events like this in the future also. I wish all the very best to the stakeholders of all the pharmaceutical industry. We upkeep the brand Pharma India together. We raise our flag, Indian flag, high overall in the global world scene. India being the global healthcare savior, global healthcare savior. And as you all know, the healthcare budget of USA alone or Europe is today, but for the generics or but for the drugs supplied from India, I think it would have been 5 to 10 times more. I think people are grateful, but we also need to raise the bar and continuously improve upon the processes and not lag behind, especially the MSMEs, of course the large industries also. We have to be abreast with the latest technologies and also, as I told, the quality first, the patient first. This is the big buzz among all the visitors. They all say the one word, the patient first. So kudos to Pharmaxil once again. Thank you very much.